your life style. Like you go to the beach, eat and drink all night. Na, 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 na. Double tap the screen, guys. It's free. Paano ba ako mag-exercise? Sana mag-exercise ng pampaano eh. La 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 la. Sana nga pumayak ako. You funny. Hi, hello girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. Philippine living is cheap, right? Yeah, it's cheap. If you have money, then it's cheap. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. La 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 la. 1, 2, 3. I know you want me. Hello! Hindi ko naman mataba ako. I am 62 already. Sana nga yung kagagalaw-galaw ko nito. Mabawas mo yung siyan ko. I'm fat now, guys. I'm fat. Like you can see, I have my belly fats. Before, I don't have it. Shall we say, yeah. Hi, Mami Jameline. Good morning, everyone. Kumusta kayo lahat, guys? Kumusta, Mami Jameline from Hayedale? I want nobody judge. Ay, naka. Kailangan yan. Ayan. Ang naiinit na ako. La 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 la. Sana pumayat man ako no kapag galaw-galaw, no? Let make a restore through up and doesn't in the backyard. There is a lot of course, there is a lot of roasters here in the Philippines, guys. So, don't mind them, okay? You have a good excuse for some belly fat you had a baby. But before I don't have a belly fat. La 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 la. Ako 54. 54 kg ka. When I was 54, I was slim. 49, I was so slim. With 1,000 euro in Philippines, rich, right? Yeah. You can have 1,000 euro. How much is euro? La 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 la. Yeah. Constance. Hello, beautiful. Yes, hello. Hey, you there. Hi. You can live Philippines with 1,000 euro a month. Yeah. La 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 la. Wag naman yung sobrang payat. Oo, maganda din. Mas bet ko yung payat ako. Isa sa pataba ng ganito. Ayoko na yung mataba. Ayoko na. Hindi naman, parang yung chubby lang siya na tamang chubby lang. Wag lang yung talagang straight ka na. Oo. Pero okay, for me para sa akin, mas prefer ko yung medyo maliit ako. Pero yung chubby is nice. It's just chubby. I want nobody but you. La 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 la. Napapagod ako. Pagod din pala gumalaw-galaw. Parang matagtag yung taba ko ba? Kumusta everyone? Could you say shake? Constant roasting in 1,000 euro, you will be hungry. Your body is nice already. Thank you. Sa akin lang. Ako mismo. Kahit sila nagsasabi na okay lang. Pero ako kasi nagtamad ako eh. I want Bloody Shaker, hi to you. Na ako ay mas